Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, we're diving into a quick comparison of ManyChat and Twilio. Two powerful tools for communication automation. Whether you are running a small business or scaling a massive operation, this guide will help you decide which one fits your needs best. Let's jump right in. First up, ManyChat. It's a user-friendly platform designed for building chatbots on platforms like Facebook Messenger, Instagram, and WhatsApp. ManyChat focuses on marketing automation, lead generation, and customer engagement. It's perfect for small to medium businesses looking for a quick and easy setup without heavy coding. Pros of ManyChat: drag and drop interface, pre-built templates to save time, great for conversational marketing. If you are new to automation or want something visual and intuitive, ManyChat is your go-to. Now let's talk about Twilio. Twilio is like a Swiss army knife for developers. It's an API-driven platform that lets you build custom communication solution for SMS, email, voice, and more. It's highly scalable and offers unparalleled flexibility, but it's not as beginner friendly. Pros of Twilios are full control with APIs, support multiple channels like SMS, voice, and WhatsApp, enterprise grade scalability. If you have development resource or need advanced features, Twilio is the powerhouse you're looking for. Here's the quick breakdown. Ease of use: ManyChat wins for its simplicity. Twilio requires technical expertise. Based on capabilities, Twilio covers more ground with its multi-channel approach. Cost: ManyChat is budget friendly for small businesses. Twilio pricing depends on your usage, so it scales with your needs. So, in conclusion, which one should you choose? Go for ManyChat if you want an easy visual solution for chat based marketing. Choose Twilio if you need a customizable and scalable communication platform. Both are excellent, it just depends on your goals and resource. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube.